In your vehicle, you can customize the central touchscreen. To do so, on any of the system's home pages, long press the screen to directly access customization. You can also press on the application Settings. In the list, select the Customization tab, press on the Display field. A page split into two zones is displayed. Press on the pencil in the zone Customize Touchscreen. An image appears showing how the various widgets and pages are organized. To add a page, press Page on the left side of the screen. To customize it, press on one of the plus signs. The available widgets are highlighted. Select the desired widget. To move a widget, long press it and slide it to the desired position. To remove a widget, long press it and slide it to the waste paper basket. You can also move a page by pressing on it and sliding them to the desired location. To remove a page, long press it and slide it to the waste paper basket and confirm. To confirm your modifications, press on the arrow on the top left-hand side and save. To customize the head-up display and the extended head-up display, press on the pencil in the Customize Driver Display zone. The modification to the organization of the various widgets appears in real time on the head-up display. At the top is the extended head-up display, and at the bottom, the two head-up display widgets.